ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதீஹதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யஹம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഇറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതേനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. everybody. Welcome to the second round. So in the set of 30, frankly, is amazing. I absolutely loved it when I thought the second set of 30. Couple of reasons, right? One, because everybody had first in the 20 when everybody was new, so everybody had கொஞ்சம் you went through a little bit of a struggle at the beginning. But இப்போ the 20 கத்துனதுனால the next 30 relatively it becomes easy even for you also. And plus the next set of 30 chapters are also relatively easier compared to the first 20 because we didn't quite go by levels. We picked it across 100, right? So in the first 20 in the avatarams it was a little hard. So next 30 are relatively easy. That's number one. And number two is in the next 30 is majority of it is around Krishna avatar, right? And the Krishna leela vechu. So that's extremely interesting. And in the first round because we jumped from one avataram to another avataram and so on, there was really no connection between those chapters. But in the second level you'll start seeing once we finish the first few and then we get into the Krishna avataram, then majority of stuff will be progressive Krishna like things which are happening, right? You will see the Krishna coming to Gokulam, then you'll see the naming of Krishna and the Putana and the mari onnonna vandu there is a thread that is connecting all the way till 88, which is Santana Gopala Okyanam. So now there'll be a continuous thread. So you'll actually see a connection that goes between chapter to chapter, and you'll be able to see the progression, which we were not able to see in the first round. So and then the second set of chapters are fantastic, once we get into the Krishna avatar mode of things, right? So you'll absolutely love it. So anyway, we'll get started. So Nikki, we'll start with 13, right? So in the class, so Sangeeta Prasad, can you be a student today?
Yes,
And,
Ramesh.
Srividya,
Yes, sorry.
and Srividya, you can be a student?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's get started with chapter, the second 13, first answer. हिरण्याक्षं तावद्भरर भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं साम्बर्ते पयसि निजझङ्घा परिमिते भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन् धनुजमपि निन्दं स्थव बलम्. So because we covered chapter 12 maybe in the second class, so so just to recap, right? So there were two gatekeepers, Jaya and Vijaya, and then when the Sanat Kumaras had tried to enter Vaikunta, they stopped. So adanala those sages gave a curse to them that because you didn't allow us in, you have to go back into the regular mortal world. So when Vishnu came out, he gave them two choices. He said, or the sages gave them two choices to say, either you take 3 births where you are anti Vishnu, and then but you get to come back in 3 births, or you take 7 births where you are really loving the god. So they said, you know what, we want to come back sooner, so we'll take 3 births. So first they are born as Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, then they are born as Ravana and Kumbhakarna, and eventually as Shishupalan and Dantavakra. So in the Hiranyaksha, the Hiranyakashipu, we saw it later on in Prahlada Charitram. And in chapter Dasakam 12, right, was where we learned about the Varaha Avataram, where, the Hiranyakshan, one of the brothers of Hiranyakashipu, so he had technically, put the earth under the cosmic water, and then Varaha Avataram came and rescued the earth. So that's what we saw in chapter 12. So in chapter 12 at the end, what happens is, the god is coming out, getting the earth out of Rasathalam, and then he's just coming out in the form of Varaha. So that's what we saw at the end of chapter 12. So now we'll see what happens. The continuation of that is chapter 13, where the actual, like how 25 was, Narasimha Avataram to kill Hiranyakashipu, 13 is the slaying of Hiranyaksha, the younger brother first. So in this case, first one, Hiranyaksha. So when God is coming out, so Hiranyaksha, he's roaming around the world. He's roaming around the universe, right? Trying to wonder who is my equivalent. So that's when he said that, your only equivalent is Vishnu. So that's why he goes and does this. So Vishnu actually comes out. And so when the Varaha Avataram actually happens and Hiranyaksha is looking around, so at that time, your devotee, Bhavad Bhaktaha, so one of your devotee, which is Narada Muni in this case, Kapata Patudihi Narada Munihi. So Narada Muni goes to him, to Hiranyakshan, and then in a stealth way, he's trying to direct Hiranyakshan to where Vishnu is in this case. So he then calmly, Shanai Uche, he very calmly speaks to Hiranyakshan, Nandan Dhanujamati, and then he also praises him, Hiranyakshan, saying that you're extremely powerful, you are the most powerful person in the world, and I know you are looking for your equivalent to actually fight. And he directs him to where Vishnu is right now there, and he points Hiranyakshan in that direction. So that's what is happening in stanza 1. So Hiranyaksham Tavad Varada, Bhavadhanveshanaparam. So Bhavad Anveshanaparam, but you say it together, Bhavadanveshanaparam, Charantam Samvarte Payasi, Nija Jhanga Parimite. So I don't know if we can do this as 4 or maybe let's try 2, else we can do 4. Hiranyaksham Tavad Bharada Bhavadanveshanaparam Charantam Samvarte Payasi Nija Jhanga Parimite.
I can go.
Yeah, okay.
Hiranyaksham Tavad Varada Bhavadanveshanaparam Charantam Samvarte Payasi Nijajanga Parimite. Hiranyaksham Tavad Varada Bhavadanveshanaparam Charantam Samvarte Payasi Nijajangam Parimite.
Nijajanga, yeah, no im, yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, Srividya, mute lirke.
Hiranyaksham Tavad Varada Bhavadanveshanaparam Charantam Samvarte Payasi Nija Janga Parimite.
The Payasi kapram is a comma, it's a pause.
Hiranyaksham Tavad Varada Bhavadanveshanaparam Charantam Samvarte Payasi Nija Janga Parimite.
Bhavat Bhakto Gatva, Kapata Patudhir Narada Munihi, Shanai Ruche Nandan Dhanujamapi, Nindam Sthava Balam. Bhavat Bhakto Gatva Kapata Patudhir Narada Munihi Shanai Ruche Nandan Dhanujamapi Nindam Stava Balam.
Bhavat Bhakto Gatva Kapata Patudhir Narada Munihi Shanai Ruche Nandan Dhanujamapi Nindan Stavabalam. Bhavat Bhakto Gatva Kapata Patudhir Narada Munihi Shanai Ruche Nandan Dhanujamapi Nindam Stavabalam.
And the Kapata Patudhir is the long dhi, okay? So,
okay.
Bhavat Bhakto Gatva Kapata Patudhir Narada Munihi Shanai Ruche Nandan Dhanujamapi Nindam Stava Balam. Bhavat Bhakto Gatva Kapata Patudhir Narada Munihi Shanai Ruche Nandan Dhanujamapi Nindam Stava Balam.
Stanza 2. Samahyavi Vishnur Harati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim Prabho Kashtam Kashtam Kimidamiti Tena Bhigatitaha Nadan Kwasau Kwasaviti Samunina Dharshita Patho Bhavantam Samprapade Dharanidara Mudhyanta Mudakat. So Narada Muni now goes and tells Hiranyakshan, some Mayavi Vishnu. You know what? You are not able to find that Vishnu anywhere because that Vishnu is a Mayavi. He's a very deceitful person. And what he's doing is Harati Bhavadiyam, he's stealing away your Vasumatim. So Vasumati here, Vijay, what is the meaning of Vasumati?
What's the meaning of Vasumati? One who makes me work. That's
I know, exactly. one who helps Vijay out is Vasumati. So Vasumati refers to earth, right? So that's the meaning of Vasumati. So Bharati Bhavadiya Vasumati. So he's saying that Vishnu is a very deceitful person because he's gone away and stolen your earth. So Narada goes and tells Hiranyakshan, you are the one who first took the earth away, right? Because you wanted to own it. Now this deceitful Vishnu is coming and taking away your Vasumati. So, oh Prabhu, it's a custom. It is just a very pitiful state for you. Appadinu Narada Muni is going and egging Hiranyakshan, right? Saying it's very pitiful that Vishnu has done this. So Hiranyakshan then goes Kwasau. So again, double emphasis. So he's saying, where is he? Where is he? And then he goes looking around, right? He's not able to find. So at that point, some Munina, Narada Muni then, Darshita Pataha, he shows him the way. He guides him to where Vishnu is right now. And then the Hiranyakshan reaches where Vishnu is right now. And when he comes there, he sees Dharani Dharam. He's seeing this Varaha Avataram holding the earth, Udhyantam Udakad, coming out of the water. So as the Varaha Avataram is happening and the Vishnu is coming out of the waters, Hiranyakshan is also reaching there and he's seeing Vishnu holding the earth in the tusks. So Sa Mayavi Vishnur Harati, comma, Bhavadiyam Vasumatim, comma, Prabho Kashtam, comma, Kim idam iti, right? It's three words. Kim idam iti, tenabhighaditaha. Samayavi Vishnur Harati, Bhavadiyam Vasumatim, Prabho Kashtam, Kimidamiti tenabhighaditaha.
Samayavi Vishnur Harati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim Prabhu Kashtam Kimidamiti Tena Bigaditaha. Samayavi Vishnur Harati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim Prabhu Kashtam Kimidamiti Tena Bigaditaha.
Samayavi Vishnu Harati Bhavadiyam Vasumati Prabho Kashtam Kimidamiti Tena Bhigaditaha. Samayavi Vishnu Harati Bhavadiyam Vasumati Prabho Kashtam Kimidamiti Tena Bhigaditaha.
So in the first line, Samayavi Vishnur Harati.
Vishnur Harati, sorry.
Okay. So next, Nadan Kwasaviti, comma, Sa Munina Darshita Patho, Bhavantam, comma, Darshita Patho, comma, Bhavantam Samprapath. So if you see a the and then another the at the bottom, right, we're going to break it up. So Bhavantam Samprapath it and then comma, then Samprapath, comma, next put a the second the. The. So the fourth one. Dharani, Dharam, Udyantam, Udakat. So Samprapat, comma, Dharani, Dharam, Udyantam, Udakat. You can also say that together once you get the flow. Nadan Kwasaviti Samunina Darshita Patho Bhavantam Samprapate Dharani Dharamudhyantam Udakat.
Rajesh, I have a question.
Oh.
So for me, in the last line, Bhavantam Samprapadha is there, not the.
Yeah.
Is it?
That break pandradnala, it is Samprapat.
Arthada shows Dharanidhara.
Yeah, correct. So that right word is it only, not iddad. Okay. So you have to change it. If it is the, if id is there, then change it to it.
Okay.
Nadan Kwaso Kwasavita. Sorry, Nadan Kwasaviti Samunina Darshita Pato Bhavantam Samprapat Dharanidharam Mudakat. I think I
So
lost
tune
the
page.
tune
Next,
completely. Yeah,
yeah, maybe the
completely.
next one we can do 4 lines if it's easier. That way you have to start from the middle, right? So it'll be
Right.
Nadhan Kwasau Kwasaviti Samunina Darshita Patho.
Nadan Kwasau Kwasaviti Samunina Darshitapato Bhavantam Samprapat Dharanidhara Mudyanta Mudakat.
So sorry, andratla Sangeeta, Dharanidhara Mudyantam nu chonna you should say Udakat, or you say Dharanidhara Mudyanta Mudakat. You say it together.
Okay, I'll try that one more time.
Yeah.
Nadan Kwasau Kwasaviti Samunina Darshitapato Bhavantam Samprapat Dharanidhara Mudyanta Mudakat. Is
Correct.
that
Yeah.
better?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
I lost the tune.
Nadhan Kwasau Kwasaviti.
Nadan Kwaso Kwasaviti Samunina Darshitapato Bhavantam Samprapat Dharanidhara Mudyanta Mudakat. Nadan Kwaso Kwasaviti Samunina Darshitapato Bhavantam Samprapat Dharanidhara Mudyanta Mudakat.
We'll do 4 lines. It'll be easier. So next day. Aho arhanyoyam mrigayiti hasantam bahutaraihi dhuruktairvidhyantam ditisutamabagyaya bhagavan mahim drishtva damshtra shirasi chakitam svena mahasa payodhavadaya prasabamudayunkta mridavidau. So, Diti Sutam. Diti Sutam is referring to the son of Diti. So, son of Diti here is Hiranyaksha, the Asura. So, Iti Hasantam. So, he now looks at it and then he starts laughing. He starts ridiculing, right? And he says, Aho, this one, Aranyoyam Mrigaidi. Person Narada came and said, Vishnu is powerful and Vishnu is the strongest person and everything. But this just looks like a wild animal. This is like a boar, right? So, this is just a wild animal, and then he starts ridiculing. And then Bahutarehi, so several Duruktai Vidyantam, and he starts abusing in several times. He starts abusing at the Varaha avatar, but says, so this is just a a boar, right? A wild animal. Why should I be worried about it? And then he starts describing it. Bhagavatatla, he starts describing its appearances, saying, it's got a lot of hair, it's got a tail, he just starts ridiculing it. So, however, Avajnaya Bhagavan, but the Lord is completely ignoring him. And Mahim Drishtva. So then what happens is, then because the Varahavataram is still carrying the earth in its tusk. So at that time, what Vishnu does is he places the earth in the right position wherever it needs to go, and then he's getting ready for Mrida Vidau, getting ready for a fight with Hiranyaksha. That's what is in stanza 3. So Aho Aranyoyam Mriga iti, comma, Hasantam Bahutaraihi. So the very end of that line, put a visarga, Bahutaraihi, and put a comma. Next line in front, on top of du, if you had a ir on top of du, remove that ir off, because that's what we moved into the visarga at the end of the first line. So Bahutaraihi, comma. Next line will be Duruktair Vidyantam, comma. Diti Sutam Avajnaya Bhagavan. Next line, Mahim Drishtva Damshtra Shirasi Chakitam Swena Mahasa, and then put a plus. So no stop in that line, and then put a plus at the very end. Payo Dhavadhaya, comma, Prasabham. So next word on the Prasabham Udayunkta. So Prasabham Udayunkta Mridavidau. Aho Arhanyohyam Mrigayiti Hasantam Bahutaraihi Dhuruktairvidyantam Ditisutam Avajnaya Bhagavan Mahim Drishtva Damshtra Shirasi Chakitam Svena Mahasa Payodhavadaya Prasabhamudayunkta Mridavidau.
Okay. अहो आरोह्यम
இல்ல ஆரண்யோயம்.
आरण्यो अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तं दितिसुतम् अवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा द्रंष्टा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोदावादाय प्रसभं Rajesh, can you help?
பிரசபம் உதயுங்க்தா.
Prasabam udayungta mragavidau.
ஸோ அந்த நீங்க சங்கீதம் அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல அஹோ ஆரண்யோ மிருக இதி you're bringing it down, right? And then you're trying to put the kamakam types there. So instead you just keep it at the aho aranyohyam mriga iti. Just stop like that.
Okay.
That's where I think you're losing the tune.
Aho aranyoyam mriga iti hasantam
Hasantam
bahutaraihi.
bahutaraihi. Just take it higher, like.
Aho aranyoyam mriga iti hasantam bahutaraihi duruktairvidyantam ditisutam avagyaya bhagavan महीं दृष्ट्वा द्रंष्टा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोदावादाय प्रसभम् उद्यङ्क्त
Uda, so prasabham, uda, so first uda, uda, okay, uda yunkta, so kind of like yunkta, yunkta, அந்த மாதிரி. So prasabham uda yunkta mridavidau.
प्रसभम् उदयुङ्क्ता मृगविदौ.
Correct. So now I think the second time when you said it, you got it correct. When you kind of kept, don't, so when your first line, don't bring it down. Mrigayiti, don't say that. Just keep it mrigayiti.
Okay.
अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोदावादाय प्रसभ उदयुङ्क्ता मृधविधौ अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा द्रंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावादाय प्रसभ उदयुङ्क्ता मृगविदौ.
Stanza 4. Gada pano dhaitye त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगतो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोद्गुष्टवियता रणालोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्घे द्रुतममुं निरुन्द्याः सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे. So Daitye, that Asura, then Gada Pano, he then takes, he's now armed with a mace, because that's how he's wandering around. And you also, Thomapihi, you also, oh Krishna, Grihitonnata Gadaha, you also took, after the earth was put in its place, you also took the mace. And then Niyuddhena Kreedan, and then the war started, or the fighting, or the battle started between the two of them with the mace. And when they were fighting, Ghata Ghatarava Udgushtabhyata. So the entire the sound of them fighting or hitting with the maces was kind of resounding in the entire skies. And all the gods and everybody had assembled to see the fight. So on the Sametla, iti Jagadishe, so Brahma then comes and gives an indicator, because on the Sametla, Vishnu is generally fighting. Think of it that way, right? He's not like seriously fighting. So Brahma comes and warns that this Hiranyakshan has a boon from Brahma, so because of which he's extremely powerful, and then not to take him lightly, and more importantly, Dhrutamamam Nirundyaha, to quickly kill him off, Sandhyada Pratamam, before evening, before sunset happens. Because once the night happens and the Asuras will get powerful, so he's saying before sunset happens, right before that, please get rid of him and don't delay this thing, right? So Gada Pano Daitye, comma, त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नत गदो गृहीतोन्नत गदो नियुद्धेन डबल ध नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् कॉमा घट घट रवोत् गुष्ठवियता घट घट रवोत् गुष्ठवियता ranalokauts and the next word on this is difficult to break it too much, so it will be ranalokautsukyan milati surasanghe drutamamum and then put a plus nirundhyaha and then after nirundhyaha put a comma nirundhyaha, then sandhyataha is there, so you can put a f to join, so sandhyata pratamamiti धात्रा जगदिशे गदा पानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नत गधो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घट घटरवोद्गुष्टवियता रणालोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्घे द्रुतममुं निरुन्द्याः सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
गदापानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि गृहीतोन्नत गदो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोद्गुष्टवियता रणालोकौत्सुक्यान् मिलति सुरसङ्गे द्रुतममुं निरुन्द्याः सन्ध्यात् प्रमतमिति धात्रा जगदिशे
सन्ध्यातः pratamam iti, so pratamam first before, so pratamam iti dhatra jagadiše
सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
sorry Priya mute lil go ahead
गदापानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि गृहीतोन्नत गदो
संगीता அந்த இடத்துல त्वमपि hi அங்க ஒரு hi இருக்கு
oh real okay is it
you don't have it
twamapi? No, I don't have.
So twamapi hi short hi
okay गदापानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नत गदो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोद्गुष्टवियता रणालोकौत्सुक्यान् मिलति सुरसङ्गे द्रुतममुं निरुन्द्याः सन्ध्यात् प्रमतमिति धात्रा जगदिशे.
So I think you again said pramatam, it's pratamam.
Oh.
Pratamam, number one. So on the pratamam, you can, yeah.
Okay.
So Rajesh, one question. Sorry. Ranalot kaut sukyata sukyan சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. எனக்கு வந்து சுக்யாத்னு இருக்கு.
Yeah, and see அப்படினாக்கா and the word is ranalokaut sukyat and then milati, right? But அது வந்து chained, if you put it together as one word, that it becomes an in Sanskrit.
Okay.
So because we are saying it together,
sukyannu சொல்லணும்.
Correct. Because we are saying it together, ranalokaut sukyan milati, we are saying it together, that's an in is the right letter there.
Okay.
அதே மாதிரி fourth lineல நிருந்தியாஹா சொல்றேன் இல்லையா, நிருந்தியாஸ்னு இருக்கு புக்ல. நிருந்தியாஹா சந்தியாதா பிரதம
if you have nirundyas, that's because if you say again அந்த இடத்துல வந்து if the is put to join it to the next word, so if you are saying it together, if the visarga was there, let's say, and then we were trying to say the whole thing together, I would have said put an is in between, right? So some books are just putting it together, so they put the is in between. Because we are stopping there, we are putting the visarga there. And some books have a visarga directly, so it's like how they have printed, which approach they have taken to print it. So both are technically correct, it's just whether we are saying it together or we are pausing, that's the only difference.
गधापानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नत गदो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघट रवाद्घुष्टवियता रणालो घटघटरवोद्घुष्टवियता रणालोकौत्सुक्यान् मिलितसुरसङ्घे धृतममुं निरुन्द्याः sandhya, sorry, nirundhyaha sandhyata nirundhyaha sandhyata pratamiti dhatra jagadishe
அந்த இடத்துல
gada.
sorry, couple of things. So on the nirundhyaha, we have to stop there, right? Otherwise, it will be, you have to put an is. So we can't say nirundhyaha sandhyata continuous solla mudiyadu. If you're saying it continuous, you have to put the is there, right? So nirundhyaha put, we have to put number 1 comma. Then again sandhyata pratamamiti. That word even pratamam. Pratamamiti. Yeah.
Gadaparnau daitye tvamapi hi gृहीतोन्नत gado niyuddena kridan ghatagatha ravodkhushtavyata ranalokautsukyaan milati surasanghe dhritamamum nirundhyaha sandhya prathamamiti dhatra jagadishe.
Yep. Number 5. Gadhonmardhe tasmin thava khalu gadayam diti bhuvo gada ghathat bhumau jhatiti patitayam ahahabo mridusmerhasyastvam dhanujakula nirmulanachanam mahachakram smritva kharabhuvi dadhano ruruchishe. So Gadon Marde Tasmin. So in the fight, the battle that is happening with the maces, right, in the Gadai, in the previous stanza. So at one point, Hiranyaksha comes and hits it hard. And Thava Kalu Gadayam, oh Krishna, your mace that you were actually holding, Bhumau Jaditi Paditam, it just fell into the ground. It fell in the ground suddenly. Because Hiranyaksha is a very powerful person, so he hit that very hard, and that thing fell, from your hand. So, however, Ahahabo, it's a wonder. Bhattacharya says that you, Krishna, or as Varaha in this case, you did not do anything. Mridus Meras, in a very gentle, in a very calm, smiling manner, because he knows what his strength is, in a very smiling manner. You Maha Chakram Smritva, you then invoked your great Sudarshana Chakra, and then which this Sudarshana Chakra, Dhanujakula Nirmula Nachanam, this is a history of completely destroying the Asuras in the past. So he invoked that Sudarshana Chakra, and then you looked magnificent holding it in your hands. Karabhuvi, holding it in your hands, you look magnificent. Ends this. So Gadon Marde. So on that again, you must have, some books may have tasminne potrupa, some books may have tas mims is potrupa to join with that thava, to join with the tha there. So if either way, you put a in there. So Gadon Marde Tasmin in, comma. And if you have a is there, just remove it off and put Gadon Marde Tasmin, comma. Next, Tava Khalu Gadayam Diti Bhuvo, comma. Gada Ghatad Bhumau, comma. Jhatiti Patitayam Ahaha Bhoho Mridus Meras Yastvam, comma, Danujakula Nirmula Nachanam, comma, Maha Chakram Smritva, comma, Karabhuvi Dadhano Ruruchishe. So Gadon Marde Tasmin Thava Khalu Gadayam Diti Bhuvo Gada Ghathat Bhumau Jhatiti Patitayam Ahahabo Mridusmerhasyastvam Dhanujakula Nirmula Nachanam Mahachakram Smritva Karabhuvi Dadano Ruruchishe.
Gadaunmarde tasmin tava kalu gadayam diti bhuvo gadagatat bhumau jatiti patitayam ahaboho mridusmerayastvam
Meras, sorry, anga Sangeeta, anga is irukku. So Mridus Meras Yastvam. 3 is in there.
Mridusmeras yastvam. Is that right?
Correct.
मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं दनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि ददानौ रुरुचिषे. It's a tongue twister. रुरुचिषे गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवो गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायाम् अहभोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं दनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि ददानो रुरुचिषे.
गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवो गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहभोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं धनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानो रुरुचिषे गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवो गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहभोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं धनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानो रुरुचिषे.
Stanza 6. ततशूलं कालप्रतिमऋषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन ते करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ठ्या सखलु विदुधं स्वां समतनोते गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जहन्मोहनकरीः. So when that, now because Vishnu got the Sudarshana chakra in his hand, so this Hiranyaksha, that Daitya, became extremely angry, and here Bhattacharya compares him to say is Kala Pratimarishi Daitya. So he's as angry as how Rudra was angry. So he's extremely angry. And then what he does is Shulam, he takes a trident and then he throws that at Varaha. And you then, O Krishna, Tvai Chindati, you broke this trident with Karakalita Chakra Praharanat, with the discus that you had in your hand. When Vishnu sent that discus, that broke the trident that Hiranyaksha had. So with that, he gets even more angry. Samarushtaha, he gets even more angry. And then he comes Mushtya Sakalo. So he then comes running towards Varaha with his fist. And then he did started doing some Maya Jagat Mohanakari. So because Hiranyaksha was a very famous person, he also had this power of doing some illusion tricks, right? Like how it happened in Ramayana, all these asuras had that illusionary tricks. So he also tried to employ some Jagat Mohanakari. He deployed some Maya, which would have tricked the rest of the world. But here Bhattacharya says, but however, he is employed against you, who is Galan Maye Toi, you who is beyond all the effects of the Maya. So although he tried to employ it, he employs it against Varaha in this stanza. We'll see what happens next. So Tataha and then Shulam, right? So you can put a ish to join it. So Tatash Shulam Kala Pratim Arushi. So Pratim Arushi Daitye Visrujati. So no stop there and comma at the end. Visrujati, comma. Tvai Chindat Yenate, comma. Karakalita Chakra Praharanat. Samarushto Mushtya, comma. Sakhalu Bidudamstvam Samatanote, comma. Galan Maye Mayaha. So if you have a is there, remove that is and put a visarga. So Galan Maye Mayaha, comma. Tvai Kila Jagan Mohana Karihi. Tatashulham Kala Pratimarushi Daitye Visrujati. Tvai Chindatyena Karakalita Chakra Praharanat. Samharushto Mushtya Sakhalu Vidudham Stvam Samatanote Galan Maye Mayaha त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमऋषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि चिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुतं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमऋषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि चिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमऋषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुतं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमऋषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुतं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
Stanza 7. भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्खनलवनिपातेन विदुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसं घरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रकृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तमसुरं कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः. So then Tata Maya Chakre. So Hiranyaksha puts that illusion, that he creates so the illusion which has been created by Hiranyaksha there. So that's now being destroyed by Bhava Chakra Jyotish Khanalavani Patin. So because of your Sudarshana Chakra, so the effect of the Sudarshana Chakra was such that it was able to overcome, it was able to show the illusion that Hiranyaksha was trying to create. So that's why his illusion did not work. And so that illusion kind of fell apart. So when that fell apart, now Hiranyaksha now, Vitata Ghana Roshanda Manasam, his mind was now filled with even more intense rage. So he first tried with the mace, then he tried with the trident, then he tried all this illusion, and none of them seemed to be working. And so they keep fighting for a really long time, and none of this seems to work. So he is getting really upset. So Abhignantam Asuram. So this Garishta ben Mushti, so like the previous stanza, like he comes running with his fist. So he then tries to hit Varaha multiple times with his fist, and even that did not work. And eventually, Niravadihi, oh Lord, you did strike him with. In some books, it says Swapadangushtena. In some books, it says Karagrena Svena. So if you think of the Varaha, the boar, right, which is standing on 4 legs, you can imagine that way. So when you take one of that, you can either, now the question is it a feet or is it a hand that it is hitting, right? So I'll say fix that for in a second. But eventually Shravana Padamule, at the base of his ear, Hiranyaksha is getting hit. Now the question is he hitting with, the Varaha hitting with its leg, or is it hitting with the hand? That's the question, right? So in some books they say Swapadangushtena, with your foot you hit him at the base of your ear. Some book says Karagrena Swena, Karam is hand. So with your hand you hit him at the base of this ear. So last batch, we went and we analyzed it. Is it a hand or a feet and all that? And then we went and referenced multiple books to say which one is saying the majority, right? And eventually we settled on Karagrena Swena. That is with your hand you hit. We decided that because that's what some of the Upanyasams also said. So Adnal, if you have, we'll fix it when we come to that last stanza anyways. So if you're wondering why I said Karagrena Swena and you have Swapadanguštena, that is the context behind that. So Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Khana Lava Nipathena Bidute, comma, so continuous, no stop there. Tato Maya Chakre, comma, Bitata Ghana Roshanda. So Roshanda, Anda and Rosha, Roshanda Manasam. Garishtabhir Mushti Prakruti Bihi. So if you have a ra there after Prakruti B, if you have a ra there, replace it with a visarga. So Prakruti Bihi, and then put a comma there. So Garishtabhir Mushti Prakruti Bihi, comma. Next one starts with the A. Abhignantam Asuram. Abhignantam Asuram, comma. So next line la, fourth line la, for who those who have Swapadangushtena. If you have that, then strike it out completely and put Karagrena Swena. So Karagrena, Grena, Karagrena Swena, Svena, Swena, comma. Shravana Padamule Niravadihi. Good, or anybody has any questions or doubt on that? Okay. Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Khana Lavani Pathena Viduthe Tato Maya Chakre Bitata Ghana Roshan Dhamanasam Garishtabhir Mushti Prakruti Bihi Abhignantamasuram Karagrena Swena Shravana Padamule Niravadihi.
Rajesh, third line la Abhignantam. Is it Abhig? Correct? Abhigdane?
Abhig. Ig.
Ig. Okay. Abhignantam.
And the g, half g. So ig.
Abhig.
Yeah.
Abhig. Okay. Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Kanalavana.
Jyotish Khanalavane.
Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Kanalavani Patena Vidute Tato Maya Chakre Vitata Ganaroshandha Manasam Garishtabhir Mushti Prahritibihi Abhignantam Asuram Karagrena Svena Shravana Padamule Niravadihi Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Kalala Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Kanalavani Patena Vidute Tato Maya Chakre Vitata Ganaroshandha Manasam Garishtabhir Mushti Prahritibihi Abhignantam
Asuram.
Abhignantam Asuram Karagrena Svena Shravana Padamule Niravadihi
Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Kanalavani Patena Vidute Tato Maya Chakre Vitata Ghana Roshantha Manasam Garishtabhir Mushti Prahritibihi Abhignantam Karagrena Svena Shravana Padamule Niravadihi Bhavat Chakra Jyotish Kanalavani Patena Vidute Tato Maya Chakre Vitata Ghana Roshanta Manasam Garishtabhir Mushti Prahritibihi Abhignantamasuram Karagrena Svena Shravana Padamule Niravadihi.
Stanza 8. Mahakaya Soyam Tabakara Saroja Pramatito Galadrakto Vaktrat Apatadrishabeshlagitahatihi Tadatvamuddama Pramadabara Vidyoti Hridaya Munintra Sandhradibihi Stutibiranuvanadvaratanum. So Mahakayaha Asa. So that Asura, you have to imagine, right? If Varaha is big enough to be able to lift the earth, then the Asura was also of equal size, because they are able to combat with each other. So that Asura, who is of the gigantic size, eventually fell. He just fell down. Tava, again, Khara Saroja Pramatito. In some books, again, Tava Charana போட்டிருக்கும், Charana Patha அப்படின்னு. So because if you remember last time we said is it hitting with the hand or hitting with the leg? So if you assume it's hitting with the leg, then it becomes Charana Patha Pramatito. Here since we changed it to the hand, it becomes Khara Saroja Pramatito. So with the hand, when the blow was given, he then fell down, and then essentially he passed away. So Rishibihi, so all the sages were all extremely happy because Hiranyakshan is now dead. And then to that Varaha, to that Lord, the sages then started praising you, O Lord, and they started calling you as Advaratanam, as the the embodiment of the yajna. That they compared you like a metaphor to the yajna itself, with the hymns which had a lot of meaning. And in the next stanza, Bhattatripa tells exactly what those are. But in this, he just says they praised you with hymns, and comparing you to like the Yajna Varaha Murti Mari, they praised you in this. So Mahakayaha, so you can put the is to join. So Mahakaya Soyam, comma. Next, Tava. Again, if you have Charana Patha, then completely strike it off, like we discussed earlier, and put Kara hand, Kara Saroja Pramatito. The Pramatito word is common for both. So Kara Saroja Pramatito, comma. Galadrakto Vaktrat. So if you have Vaktra and the there, then replace it with the it first. So Vaktrat, comma. And then start the next one with the a. Apatha Drishibihi. You'll have Apatha Drishibihi, but put the ish to join. So Apatha Drishibish Shlagita Hatihi. Next, Tada Twam Uddhama Pramadabhara Vidyoti Hridaya, comma. Next, Munindraha. So put the is to join. So Munindras Sandradibihi, comma. Stutibir Anuvan Nadvaratanum. So Stutibir Anuvan Nadvaratanum. Any
Rajesh,
question? Yeah.
on the third line, I have it as Vidyoti Hridayaha.
Yeah, சில bookல அப்படி ஹிருதயாஹான்னு போட்டிருக்குது. So அதுவும் we kept it as just ஹிருதயா, because some books have ஹிருதயா, some books have ஹிருதயாஹா. So you can just keep that ஹிருதயா. Yeah.
First line la Maha Kaya Soyam Tavakara Saroja Pramatito.
Correct.
Tava வேண்டாமா?
Tava வேணும். Tava இருக்கு.
You still have Tava?
Yeah, you still have Tava. Okay. You have Tava, and Pramatito is common. Just in between is Kara Saroja.
Rajesh, எனக்கு ரெண்டு கொஸ்டின். இந்த தவ கரண சரோஜ பிரமதிதோவா இல்ல சரோஜ பிரமதிதோவா?
What was the other way you said?
கர சரோஜ பிரமதிதோ.
Yeah, that is, I mean, how else were you telling me? Where எப்படி சொன்னேல்? I don't know.
சரோஜ பிரமதிதோவா இல்ல இப்பு போடணுமா? அந்த
there's no joining. It is சரோஜ பிரமதிதோ தான்.
ஓகே. அப்புறம் வந்து ஓகே, அப்புறம் வந்து ரெண்டாவது லைன்ல கலத்ரக்து வக்த்ராத் அபத த்ரிஷுபிசா இல்ல த்ரிஷுபிஷா?
இஷ்.
Okay.
Because the next one is Shlagita Hatihi irukliya, ish adu. So adnala the center joining also becomes a ish. So Apata Drishibish Shlagita Hatihi.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Last line la Stutibir Anuvan Advarantanum thane. So rendu சொன்ன மாதிரி இருக்கு.
இல்ல அது வந்து எப்படினாக்கா again it goes to the Sandhi rule, right? It is Stutibir Anuvan Advaratanum are the two different words. But if you're not if you're keeping them separate, those are the ways to say it. But if it becomes one word, then it becomes a double na.
Okay.
So because at least in my book it's one full word, so it becomes stutibiranuvan nadvaratanum, double na eduthathu. But if it is two different words, then it becomes stutibiranuvan advaratanum.
Okay,
it depends on how they have written it. Yeah.
Okay, endla vandu split panni edhirukku.
Yeah, so that's right. If they literally put a pause between those two words, a space between those two words, then they would have put it as advaratanum. But if they put it as one word, then it becomes nadvaratanum. That continuous abadi aadradhu. Avladha just a sandhi rule avladha.
Okay,
Rajesh,
and the same line la. Okay, go ahead, Savita.
In the stanza is like so much variance. Go ahead.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, okay. Go ahead. Yeah.
Pramatithova illa ditova?
Pramathito, second tha.
Thito, right? Okay.
Yeah, second tha.
I'm hearing dito and dito. Okay.
Illa. Pramathito. So the thi is the second tha, and to is the first tha.
Okay, thank you.
In the fourth line la Munindra Sandra Bihiya Sandra Dibihiya.
Sandra Bihidan irukku.
Sandra Bihida இல்லையா?
ஆமா.
நீங்க தி சொன்ன மாதிரி இருந்தது.
Oh, அப்படியே. Okay, that must have been my bad then. Yeah, Sandra Bihida.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. See, I'll say this slowly because there are a couple of variations, right? So, Maha Kaya Soyam Thava Kara Saroja Pramatito Galadrakto Vaktrat Apata Drishibish Shlagita Hatihi Tada Tvam Uddhama Pramada Bhara Vidyoti Hridaya Munindra Sandra Bihi Stutibiranuvanadvaratanum.
Mahakayasoyam tavakara saroja pramatito galadrakto vaktrat apadadrishibish shlagita hatihi tada tvamudyama pramadabara vidyoti hridaya munindra sandra bihi stutibir anuvan nadvaratamum.
So and there's a couple of things, Sangeeta. So the third line, Tada Tvam Udyama, it's Uddhama, double the, no ya there. Okay. And then the last line, like we said, is if you're literally going to give a break between the two words of Stutibiranuvan, and you're going to then take a break, then you say Advaratanum. You don't say Nadvaratanum, right? But if you're saying it together, then you have to say Stutibiranuvan Nadvaratanum. The continuous chonna, you have to say both of them as na. But I think you gave a break and then you said na in the second word.
Okay.
Then you have to say a.
Okay, so break karta. So what is there a recommendation?
No. The recommendation is don't say it without a break.
Okay.
With two nas. But if you are going to be taking a break, then it is Stutibiranuvan Advaratanum.
Okay, I'll try to stay with the recommendation and say it together. Okay, I'll go again. Mahakaya soyam tavakara saroja pramatito galadrakto vaktrat apadribishish
apatha drishibish.
Okay. Mahakaya soyam tavakara saroja pramatito galadrakto vaktrat apadadrishibish shlagita hatihi tada tvam uddama pramadabara vidyoti hridaya munindra sandra bihi sutibir anuvanat nadvaratamamum.
Nadvaratanum. Tanum. All of that.
Okay.
Mahakaya soyam tavakara saroja pramatito galadrakto vaktrat apadadrishti भिश्लाघित हतिः तथा त्वामुत्थाम प्रमथभरविद्योतिहृदया मुनीन्द्रासान्त्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नत्वरतमुं महाकाय तनुम् okay sorry महाकाया सोऽयं तव करसरोजप्रमथितो गलद्राक्तो वक्त्रात् अपथ दृशिभिः श्लाघित हतिः तथा त्वामुद्धाम प्रमथभरविद्योतिहृदया मुनीन्द्रासान्त्राभिः अद्वरत्तनुम्.
So a couple of things on the first line Mahakayasoyam. Kaya. I think you said extra there. Next adhe mari Galadrakto. I think you said something else on the Drakto.
Galadrakto. I'll say once more.
Yeah. And the last line again and the Stuti Biranuvan Nadhvaratanum. You're saying it together. So.
Okay. Mahakayasoyam tavakara saroja pramatito galadrakto vaktrat apatadrishibhishlagita hatihi तथा त्वामुत्थाम प्रमथभरविद्योति हृदया मुनीन्द्रासान्त्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन् अत्वरतनुम्. Is that okay?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but if you want to say it as Stutibiranuvan Advaratanum, அப்படி continuous சொல்றேல அத அந்த last
Stutibiranuvan Advaratanum.
Okay, so
practice I guess.
Yeah, no worries, no, you got it. So I think the rest of the stuff is fine. Yeah. So 9. Tvachichando Romaswapi Kushaganas Chakshushi Gritam Chatur Hotarungrau Srugapi Vadane Chodaraida Graha Jihwayam Te Parapurusha Karne Chashamasa Bibho Somo Viryam Bharata Galadeshe Yupasadaha. So here, but the part is describing what the sages compared in the previous stanza, where they said you are the kind of the embodiment of the whole yajna, right? So comparing the Lord's body to the sacrifice, the yajna sacrifice. So here says tvachi chandaha. So your skin are the Vedic meters, right? That's your skin. Romasu api kushaganaha. So your hair, the hair on your body are like the darbai, the kusha grass or the darbai that is actually used in all homams. Chakshushi Gritam. So your eyes are the ghee. Chatur Hota Rungrau. So your 4 feet, because it's a bow, right? So it is the 4 feet or hands in this case. So it's 4 of them. Those are representing and the 4 priests who are like the 4 Vedas. So those are representing the 4 Vedas when you chant while you're doing the homa. Then Sruga Api Vadane. Your face is the srug. The srug is the ladle through which you offer the ghee for a homa. So that is your face. Cha udara ida. Your stomach is the ida. So ida is the kind of the vessel or the pot which is actually used to store all the offerings for the main offerings for the homa. Like the ghee and the milk and everything are stored in a pot. That's called the ida. So your stomach is that. And graha jihwayamte. Your tongue is the somam, is the nectar that is actually coming out. Karnecha chamasa. So your ears are on the remaining, so the main parts, the idas are the main offerings. Then there are secondary offerings which are there. So that's your ears. Oh Lord, in this way is describing the various parts of the body and comparing it to the yajna that is actually offering. And then Varada, oh bestower of boons. So they're describing here. So tvachi chando, comma, romaswapi kusha ganash chakshushi gritam. In case you have kusha ganaha by chance, then put a ish to join it to the chakshushi. So that's why it's kusha ganash, or some books directly have that ish put together. So romaswapi kusha ganash chakshushi gritam, comma, chatur hotarongrau, comma, srugapi vadane chodara ida, graha Jihvayam te. It's a half ha, not a full ha. Like Brahma mari in the half ha. So graha jihvayam te, comma, parapurusha karne cha chamasa, comma, bibo somo viryam, comma, bharada galadeshe pyupasadaha. So galadeshe apyupasadaha irukum, and then because it puts that s in Sanskrit, right? But like we learned last time, is you say it continuously, so it becomes galadeshe pyupasadaha.
Rajesh,
Ah.
on the third line la graha jihvayam te parapurusha karnecha chamasahan irukku and the visargam irukanga.
I don't know why it's not there. I can maybe go and check because last time nobody said it also. So I
என்கிலயும் இருக்கு
இங்கேயும் இருக்கு எங்கிட்டயும்
Okay.
இருக்கு
சமசாகா இருக்கு.
okay, so then
நீங்க
let's
கொடுத்த புக்ல அந்த பிரிண்ட் அவுட்ல தான் இருக்குது.
okay,
I
so
don't have any other book.
let's just add it then. No worries. So just add it. I don't know when it is used. When it is
Chamasaha. I have it as Chamasaha.
no, chamasa is the right word. Like the a has to come at the end.
So
So
Chamasaha.
yeah, so let's put a visarga at the end there, so it becomes chamasaha. Okay. So tvachit chando romaswapi kushaganachakshushi ghritam chaturhotarungrau srugapi vadane chodaraida graha jihvayam te parapurusha karne chachamasaha bibho somo viryam varada galadeshe vyupasadaha.
Tvai chando romaswapi
Tvachi chando.
Tvachi chando romaswapi kushagana chakshushi kritam chaturhota rongro shugapi vadane chodara iha
Ida.
ida
Illa IDA.
ida. Okay. Tvachi chando chandano. Sorry, is chando dane?
Chando.
Tvachi chando romaswapi kushagana chakshushi ghritam chaturhota rongro srugapi vadane chodara ida gruha jivhayam te parapurusha karne chamasaha vibho somo viryam varagaladesha pyuspasadaha.
So a couple of things, sorry, quick thing, Hangita. So third line la is not griha, it's graha. Okay, and the fourth line la varada galadeshe pyupasadaha.
Okay. Tvachi chando. Ennoda chandana do irukku. That's why I'm getting confused. There's no na in between.
There's an in between. Chando.
Tvachi chando romaswapi kushagana chakshushi dhritam chaturhota rongro srugapi vadane chodara ida gruha jivhayam te parapurusha karne chamasaha vibho somo viryam varadagal desha pyupasadaha.
Tvachichando romaswapi kushaganachakshushikritam chaturhotarungrau srugapi vadane chodhara ida graha jihvayam te parapurusha karne chamasaha vibho somo viryam varadaghala deshe pyupasadaha. Tvachichando romaswapi kushaganachakshushikritam chaturhotarungrau srugapi vadane chodhara ida graha jihvayam te parapurusha karne chamasaha vibho somo viryam varadagla deshe pyupasadaha.
Last answer. मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्थवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् Swadishnyam sampraptah sukarasavihari maduripo nirundhyarogam me sakalamapi vathalayapathe. So Modita Mana, so all the sages, they were all extremely happy. And then Munindrai Ityadi, so all the other sages, Sthavana Mukarai Modita Manaha. So they were singing all the hymns that we described earlier. They were singing all the hymns with the up and down pitch, right? Like you chant all the Vedic hymns. And when they did all that, so you were then shining, O Lord. And then eventually you reached Swadishnyam Sampraptaha. So eventually, like this avataram was a Leela avataram, like we had discussed once, right? It was just there for a very specific purpose, to rescue the earth and to kill Hiranyaksha. So since that work is done, you then went back to your abode of Vaikuntham, and there Sukha Rasa Vihari. So there you then enjoyed in your own bliss, you rested there. Maduripo, O destroyer of Madhu, and Vathalayapate, O Lord of Guruvayur, destroy all my ailments. Abdina Bhattacharya finishes this. So since we have a bunch of people here who know Devi Mahatmyam, I'll kind of say this thing. So in the Maduripo, right? Maduripo is referring to the one who killed Madhu. So and the Madhu Kaitaba were the two demons who were there. So once, so Vishnu Mandi, when he's in this the state of bliss, right? At that time he's in that the Yoga Maya is with Vishnu. So what happens then is, then from the wax of Vishnu comes the two demons come out. One is Madhu and Kaitaba. So when those two come out and then they start harassing and they get the boons from Brahma and all, and they get powerful. So on the Samethala, because Vishnu is in that state of Yoga Nidra, he's resting. So he's not able to go and protect anybody from these two demons. So on the Samethala, they all, Brahma and others, then go to Mahalakshmi and then they go request, or the Yoga Maya, and request her to come out of Vishnu so that he can wake up. So another, they go request, and then Yoga Maya then comes out, and then Vishnu then wakes up, and then he goes and fights with this Madhu and Kaitaba. But because they also have a boon that they cannot be killed, நிறைய conditions-லாம் இருக்கு. So what so again Yoga Maya's help is taken, where she then puts them into a state of delusion, Madhu and Kaitaba, and then eventually Vishnu goes and asks them for a boon. And they, out of ego and because of this influence of yoga, Madhu and Kaitaba say, sure, ask me whatever boon you want. And then Vishnu tell, I want you both to die. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி boon அவர்கிட்டே வாங்கிட்டு, and that's how they actually die, right? So if you go to chapter 1 of Devi Mahatmyam, adala Sabita and others, right? Sangeeta, if you this and the 89-90 and the first chapter, evam stutata da devi tamasi tatra vedasa Vishnu prabodha nartaya nihantum madhukaitabo, the nestrasya bahu, and the stanza, right, that is actually describing this this incident of going to Brahma and all that stuff is described in that portion. So because that first chapter of Devi Mahatmyam is Madhu Kaitaba death தான் அது. So அங்க இந்த இடத்துல Bhattacharya just said Maduripo. He said the person who killed Madhu, Guru Pavanapuradisha அப்படின்னு விட்டுட்டார். I just wanted to give that context of why it is Maduripo அப்படின்னு. Anyway.
Thank you, Rajesh. Combining the two texts. ஒரு PhD பண்ணலாம் நீங்க.
இல்ல அந்த மதுரிப்போன்னு இந்த இடத்துல சும்மா போட்டார் அவர், because sometimes he says different things, right? Like he says Vathalayapate, ஒரு resident of Guruvayur. இந்த மதுரிப்போன்னு போட்டார். So I was thinking, okay, why did he put Maduripo? Because he killed Madhu. பின்ன பார்த்தா அந்த உடனே எனக்கு அந்த தேவி மாத்மியம் அந்த ஸ்டான்ஸா ஞாபகம் வந்தது. அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர்ல அது ஏதோ ஒரு சாப்டர்ல இருக்குன்னு ஞாபகம் இருக்கு, பட் எந்த சாப்டர்னு I didn't remember. Then I had to just go dig that up. Which chapter was this thing coming அப்படின்னு.
இதுல வந்துட்டு அவர் வந்துட்டு இப்ப யோகமாயா and Vishnu are like one and the same in Ramari he's saying, is it right? Is it like
that's, eventually it's all the same, right? But then they have different purposes, right? So in the different, so yoga, so the ellame at the end of the day it's all Brahman, it's only one, but each one has different functions, right, that they have to operate. So Yoga Maya has that own responsibility of of the whole Maya is managed by Yoga Maya. We can think of it that way in simple terms, right?
Yeah.
So eventually she's residing in Vishnu all the time. That's why Vishnu is in a state of rest. So Yoga Maya is in Vishnu. So they then go and have to request her to say, what, I want you to come out of Vishnu right now, because only then he's going to come up in a wake up state so he can actually go take action. Otherwise he's just in the state of rest when Yoga Maya is in Vishnu. All of that.
இது அதுலயுமே வந்துட்டு அந்த 11th chapterல she saying like நானே தான் வருவேன், that is அஷ்டாவிம்சதி மே யுகே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு she
ஆமா
saying
அது வந்து that is ஆமா அது ஆமா அது வந்து என்னன்னாக்கா நம்ம அந்த நந்த கோபகிருஹே ஜாதா யசோதா கர்ப்பசம்பவா ததஸ்தோ நாசயிஷ்யாமி விந்தியாச்சல விலாசினி அப்படின்னு வரும் 11th or 12th லயும் வரும் அது
11th ல நினைக்கிறேன்.
something like it comes. So that was, if you remember, naman the 30 we are going to do 39 this time, right? So you will learn that's where the Yogamaya is born in why am I forgetting? He's born in the Yashoda andadathla, and then that's how Vasudeva goes and exchanges the child, right? And he brings it back to Devaki and Vasudeva. So that is that Yogamaya who's actually getting exchanged, and then she comes, and then when Kamsa tries to kill, that's when she gets released from Kamsa's hands and says, hey, the person who's supposed to kill you is already born, right? And then she goes into the various temples, right? And for the various activities. Adhan Nanda Gopa Grihe Jata Yashoda Garbha Sambhava. So Yashoda or Garbhatla she's coming, Yogamaya is born.
Okay.
In Nanda. So that we'll cover when we come to Nanda 39, I think, chapter. Okay, so in the Munindrair Ityadi Stavana Mukharair Modita Manaha. So some books did not have a Visarga there, but last time we added a Visarga there. So if you don't have it, just add it at the end of that first line. Modita Manaha, comma, Mahiyasya Murtya, comma, Vimalatara Kirtya cha Vilasan. Swadishnyam Sampraptaha, comma, Sukha Rasa Vihari Maduripo, comma, Nirundhya Rogamme, comma, Sakalamapi Vatalayapate. Munindrairityadistavana mukharairmoditamanaha mahiyasya murtya vimalatarakirtya cha vilasan swadishnyam sampraptaha sukha rasavihari maduripo nirundhyarogam me sakalamapi vatalayapate.
Rajesh, first line la comma irka?
The first line la comma illa, only at the very end.
Okay. Munindrair ityadi stavana mukhair moditamanaha.
Mukharair.
Munindrair ityadi stavana mukharair moditamanaha mahishyasya murtya vimalatara kirtya cha vilasan swadishyam sampraptaha sukarasa vihari maduripo nirundhya rogam me sakalamapi vatalayapate.
Sangeeta, second line la mahiyasya murtya.
Okay. Munindrair ityadi stavana mukharair moditamanaha mahiyasya murtya vimalatara kirtya cha vilasan swadishyam sampraptaha swadishnyam sampraptaha sukarasa vihari maduripo nirundhya rogam me sakalamapi vatalayapate.
Munindrairityadi stavana mukharair moditamanaha mahiyasya murtya vimalatara kirtya cha vilasan swadhishnyam sampraptaha sukharasi vihari maduripo nirundhya rogam me sakalamapi vatalayapate. Munindrairityadi stavana mukharair moditamanaha mahiyasya murtya vimalatara kirtya cha vilasan swadishnyam sampraptaha sukharasi vihari maduripo.
Sorry, and Sukha Rasa Vihari.
Okay.
Swadishnyam
Swadishnyam sampraptaha sukharasi vihari maduripo.
I think you're still saying rasi nu kekradhu enakku. Sukha rasam.
Okay. Swadishnyam sampraptaha सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्त्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते
This ends this chapter.
मुनीन्द्र
Oh, I thought you said 2 times. Will tell you 2 times.
Yeah. I thought you were waiting, so I thought I did only once.
Shri Krishnaya Parabhrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirdhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tattabhadbhadi sakshat gurupavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.